Last week, Google announced that it will be rolling out AI overviews, or AIO, which is its artificial intelligence search experience to everyone in the US. As a result, turn off Google AI is trending in the US according to Google Trends. All jokes aside, AIO is here to stay. This is the new era of Google search where we are shifting from searching to prompting and generic search experiences to more personalized ones. Google says AIO will help searchers learn things faster with quick answers from AIO at the top of the results, get recommendations on things that are important to the search, and search with video and customize the entire experience and make it personal. Here's how it will impact brands and what you should do about it. So, organic keywords and traffic. So rankings will fluctuate and may decline. This could also mean revenue for many brands. This has already been happening. So even if your rankings on Google are going up, we've seen Google is absorbing and keeping more traffic because of things like widgets, searches within searches, and traffic going to partners like Reddit and other forums. However, the importance of SEO is going to continue to grow. And this means you have to implement everything that you've been putting off as nice to have, like schema code, publishing content, UX, and for conversions, improving your website and app page speeds. These things can no longer be ignored. Otherwise, you just won't rank and you won't show up in AIO. You have to publish conversions, right? So you have to push your teams to increase conversions because brands have to build their own walled gardens. And this should not be pushed off to some conversion rate optimization team. CRO is a very high valued skill that SEOs need. And if AIO is taking traffic, you have to convert the traffic into a free email or subscriptions, then work to build a relationship and monetize that audience. This point about optimizing for conversions is so important that I'm going to show you instead of just talking and telling you about it. So for my busy executives, I want to keep this video short. At the end of the video, I'll show you real-time examples how you could get your blog to convert more. Your focus should be building on assets that you own. This does not mean to rush out and gate all your content. Be smart about it. Let your data and your audience and customers guide you. Integration. You have to integrate search with a focus on conversions. This is ensuring Google Ads is working hand in hand with your SEO and your content plans. Then all of that should integrate with your lifecycle team, so SMS and email, and that should push and ladder up to your other larger campaigns like TV, radio, or out of home. Changes on Google are nothing new. What brands need to do is use SEO to fully optimize their assets, then integrate their campaigns across channels and aim to convert all the traffic to a free lead or a paid customer. Then nurture, educate, and build a long term community and relationships with this community. This way, you will never get stuck relying on a single channel or company to grow your business. So now let's talk about conversion. So this is one of the best ways and designs from a UX standpoint, right? So SEO and UX are two sides of the same coin. So when you look at Moneyline, before I was there, this is an article, and in the last 5 SEO audits we did, we found the same problem. There's not no share bar, no table of contents, no right hand rail, no points of conversion, and very few inline conversion points. If you look at the, and this is before, if you look at the updates that we worked with on the design team, you see that right hand rail share bar, it follows you. So people won't share your content. They're just humans don't share. You've got table of contents, you've got a conversion point, you've got similar posts. So when people are doing research, they're gonna, if you don't offer the post up to them, they're not gonna click. So this lowers bounce rate. This increases the time on your site, and this increases conversion, and this increases free newsletter signups, right? So what happened is the difference between this and this 3x conversion from the blog, it lowered bounce rates, increased page views because people would land and then do more research, and then we started getting a ton of people signing up to the free newsletter, and then there was also inline ads that we add. But what's really important when you go look at Moneyline today, you can see this is my old author page there. But if it is a crypto page, we've got the crypto call to action and product, and we've got this pop up here. If it is a investing page, you've got an investing product, right? So it's very segmented. If it by product, if it is a banking, this is a banking call to action, and if it's credit, then the credit building call to action, right? And this is very very important. We've got inline offers from our partners and all of that. And this is not affiliate. This is affiliate in a way, but this is a company um, that Moneyline had acquired. So the point is conversions matter and the way you design it. And again, we see this all the time. So in this example, this is actually ebony.com, which is a publisher, but they're not built to for social sharing. They're not built for conversions. And so we literally had to go in and design the perfect conversion page. So if you blow this up, you've got the sidebar, you've got a picture, you've got ad placement or a sign up button, you've got ads, you got table of contents, and then you go down the list and different conversion points. Another ad here. We even designed the ability to gate after, and a lot of the publishers do this now. So hopefully they roll this out. But you see, these are the things that you could be doing as a brand to really, especially along here, to drive conversions. And again, this is a design standpoint. Use this right hand rail, and you also, the one thing to note is that this right hand rail disappears on mobile, right? So if you don't have inline ways to drive these conversions, and you should have multiple ones, um, is not going to be as effective, right? So I really hope this helps. The future is here. Embrace it and push forward.